have gotten in something new today for my motorcycle. Oh, and it's got peanuts. I hate peanuts. Okay, I know what that is. Don't know what that is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unbubble wrap these and start the video back. Okay, here's what we got. I have taken the bubble wrap off this stuff, and this is what I have received. This is a brake pedal. And these come from JH Choppers. And matching footboards. Those are heavy. That is solid. So we got a diamond rubber coat here, and then billet aluminum chromed there. So we'll see what these look like when I get them put on. Now I have the new floorboards by JH Choppers installed, and there she sits. And the brake pedal to match. They're a little shinier than the rest of the chrome because this baby needs a bath pretty badly. So easy to put on, look really good, matched up perfectly with the factory mounting bolts. And had a little issue with the brake pedal, but it wasn't the fault of JH Choppers at all. It was my own issue. So, but they came out looking really good, match everything real nice, and I'm very pleased.